My name's Aaron Holmes. I'm a aerospace engineer / project manager. I've just been in property for about 4 months now, so not long. Little baby at the minute. It's been great. It's been great. I've paid and I've already made my money back, and I've been on for about 4 months. So yeah, I think it's been more than worth it for me personally. Yeah, so actually on the first week when I was doing the deal sourcing challenge, I actually sold to my Airbnb owner that I was actually talking to and staying over with. I was basically sharing a house with him, and I sold to him in the kitchen. So that was where I made my first deal, and then the rest of the deals were just deal sourcing. Yeah, exactly. And I got a rent to rent yesterday as well. So yeah, buzzing. Training's been amazing. Yeah, training's been amazing this week. We've had mentors on tap, basically helping me out every step of the way. Even with the rent to rent that I had yesterday, they all helped me through, sat down with me and did it, and told me it was a good deal, and that's why I went for it. So put my trust in them, and hopefully it'll work. So yeah, buzzing. Yeah, lovely. Nice one.